Alright! Welcome back to my channel. This is Captain Kinetic and today i-announce na natin yung mga winners sa ating first ever PowerPoint design contest. So, let's dive in! Okay, so these are our winners for our first ever PowerPoint design contest, part 1, which is the linking cover photo. By the way, sa mga designers out there, meron akong sorpresa sa inyo at the end of this video, so be sure to watch until the end. First entry is from Voodoo, from Christopher, bro, thanks for this. Hey guys, if you want to know the feedback I have for all these entries, click the link right here or the link below. The next one is from Geisha, from Kai. Hey Kai. You're watching this, hello. Next one is from Maleficent. By the way, what I did was to count every vote kahit wrong spelling pa yan. My fault because I spent it with an extra I, Maleficent. But whether it's Maleficent, or Maleficent, whatever, I counted that. Okay? Regardless of the spelling. Okay, tingnan natin yung mga spelling kasi binagagawa nila. For Paul Mayandok, appreciate you bro for noticing that it's really Maleficent. For Anthony, kahit pa dalawang beses ka nag-Maleficent, isang count lang yan. Okay? Kay Jacob Jares ba to? Maleficent. And for Erica Arenas, who got the right spelling, Maleficent. Thank you so much for voting for Maleficent. So, next entry is from Royals. King Joshua, hello. Good job here. And next one from Yoga, from Maria Donna. Thank you so much. Sa mga walang pictures dito, meaning hindi ko kayo friends sa Facebook. So, I opted not to put your photo there because baka magalit pa kayo sa akin. Okay? Alright, next one is from Black Panther. So, Leonard, this is a really nice entry. Except for the spelling. Ito yung spelling mo, bro. Okay, next one. Last but not the least, Victorium. And who wants to be identified as anonymous. So, secret lang daw siya. Alright, so tingnan muna natin yung mga tally natin without the audience impact 30%. That is the count of all your votes. So without that, here's how it looks. So nangunguna si Maleficent, pangalawa si Black Panther, at pangatlo si Voodoo. Here are some of the comments from our viewers. Thank you so much e-learning. Sabi nila, congrats, ang gagaling nila lahat. Congrats daw. Okay, for Omar Kazi, easily Maleficent, 200%. From James Harvey, nag-comment daw ako, sabi, Don Louie, Kuya Marbs. Oh, nag-comment nga siya, pero wala siyang binuot. Okay, sige na lang. Maria Fortes, Voodoo for the win. Tignan nyo naman, ganyan ka-supportive, even for Victorio. So sabi ni James Harvey, ayan, kahit ganyan kadami yung royal na pinagtatatype mo lang dyan, iisang count lang yan. Ano pang sabi ng ating audience impact? By the way, I stick true to my words when I say 11:59 PM ng September 5, yun lang yung kinount ko. May mga nag-vote po na kay Maleficent, kay Voodoo, kay Royal, pero hindi na siya counted. So, here's the moment we've all been waiting for. What does the Madlang people say? Okay, so highest is Voodoo, who gets the 30%, and Maleficent, 19% lang siya, and Black Panther, 12%, okay? So, kahit nanguna si Maleficent without the audience impact, ito ng ating grand total. Yay! So, congratulations for Voodoo for winning this, the first ever winner of our PowerPoint design contest for the cover LinkedIn photo. And second place goes to Maleficent, and third to Black Panther. You know who we are. For Christopher, for Jenny, and for Leonard, please reach out to me via Facebook or LinkedIn and send to me your Gcash for your prizes. So if you're a designer and if you are interested to be part of the next PowerPoint design contest, pwedeng Facebook cover page naman siya or pwede rin YouTube. Head over to our Facebook page, PowerPoint Superhero. Just answer 3 of the questions there and you'll be accepted in. But if you just wanted to level up your PowerPoint skill either for work, for school, or for side hustle, this is also perfect for you. Subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to be notified of every upload. And if you, kung pwede lang makisuyo, if you know someone who's really into PowerPoint and is very passionate about PowerPoint, please be their hero today and please share our channel to them para makasali din sila sa ating PowerPoint design contest. That's it. This is Captain Kinetic saying, stay awesome!